Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ego Trippin' and I'm back with another video. So today I'm coming to you guys with the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May. I have 2 of them and these little bags are $13. They come with 5 oversized products. Sometimes you do get a full-size item, sometimes you don't, but most of the times you do. And I do believe when choice comes around, you do get to choose one item. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I have in my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May, and then let's dive off into it. Let's get into this little bag. Actually, let's get into both of these bags. So here are the bags right here. I really like these bags, but you guys do know that I don't give a damn about these bags, okay? I want to see what's in these bags. So let's dig off in this bag and reach and get the, let's dig off in this bag so we can get the card out. All right. So the theme of the month is Wild Beauty. It is right here. And they do have the prices and the products on the front of the card. So first things first, let's get into the first item in our glam bag. Okay, the first item is this right here. And this is the Hemp's Pomegranate Herbal Butter. It says give your skin, no, I'm not gonna read all of that. This is a deluxe sample right here, and then the full size product is running for $19. I did open this up just a minute ago. It smelled really, really good. We're gonna put some on. It did come with a seal, of course. What better had? This is a really nice size product. You can put this in your bag, put it at your office. It's really thick and it smells really, really, really smells real good. It smells really, really good. So this is our first product, okay? This is our first product. All right, the next product in the bag is the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout and Racy Rose. Hell, these names be killing me. So I never heard of this right here. It's super tiny. So this is called the Pop Beauty Permanent Pout and Racy Rose. They don't call this stuff permanent pout for no reason. The dark rosy liquid lipstick. So it's a liquid lipstick. It is a liquid lipstick. Should I open this? So there's the color right there. All right, so here it is right here. And this is the little dofas. It's so little. And we're gonna swatch the color. There's the color right there. That's pretty. I'm just gonna put it over what I got because look. This is another color out the bag that I just tried on the other bag. It's all right. Okay, so the next item in the bag is this. What is this? Sugar Cosmetic Goddess. This is a primer. It says this airbrush skin meets your maker. The silky smooth primer helps minimize the look of pores, textures, disguise fine lines and wrinkles, and leaves a soft, focused matte finish that keeps your skin shine free all day without clogging your pores. And the regular size primer is going for $19. So this is the primer right here. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Okay, so the next is by Yenta Beauty. And this is the Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Eye Cream. And I am falling in love with Yenta, okay? I'm falling in love with them and their products. So I just love their items. So, anywho, this is the eye cream right here. It's just a little pink little tube with hardly anything in here. Actually, Yenta, y'all better come on and do better than that. Y'all got, like I can literally see, it's not even filled to the top. Oh, that's bogus. Why would y'all, okay, first of all, I don't know if y'all can see it, which you guys probably can. It's filled to right here. Like half of it's in there. That is so bogus. Y'all already sent the little, I mean, this is the tiniest little thing, and then only fill it halfway. That's real petty, okay? So we definitely gonna give that a try. Probably take 2 or 3 3 times to put this on and it'll be gone, but it's definitely filled up to about right here. So yeah, that's bogus, but okay, we'll try it. All right, that's the eye cream. Okay, and our final product in this bag is the Tres Loose Beauty by Becky G. And we all know we just received a palette from her, from Boxy, and I love her. I just love her stuff. So here it is right here. And it's in the color Vacation. And for some reason I can't get it open. There we go. Ooh, that is really pretty. It doesn't have a mirror, but that is the color right there. I'm sure. Ooh, that's a cream. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. That is an awful lot, but this is pretty. I'm gonna dim it down. We're gonna dim it down. So that's really pretty. I love that. I mean, in this size right here, this will last you for a hot minute. So this is really pretty. I love that. So that is it. Going into our second bag. Let's get into our second bag. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna pull out, this bag is the H2O Hydration Oasis Nourishing Gel Cream. And the full size version of this is $42. So this is some moisturizer, which I never heard of them. But here it is right here. Our second item in the bag is called Bad Habit Wake Things Up Matcha and Mint Daily Cleanser. So this is a face cleanser. And here it is right here. So the third item is the Wonder Beauty, and I have received this before. It's a little mascara. I think I received this last month in my glam bag. I'm not sure, but I want to say I did. But this is a little mascara. And next we have the Farrah Matte Boss Liquid Lip and Pigment and Date Night right here. And this looks like a full size. This is going for $16, and the full version of the mascara right here is going for $26. So this looks like it's a full size, and this is going for $16. This color wasn't bad, but I had it on in the beginning of the video. I would definitely have to mix it with something. But it's kind of like a pinky nude right here, but it's pretty. So the last item in the box is the primer by Sugar, which we just received already in the other bag just a minute ago. And this is it right here. So this is the primer. You really get some nice little products in here. So my favorite thing from these bags was the blush. I really love that blush. So here they are right here. This is a cute little bag. I love doing these little bags. That is it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know what you received in your little Ipsy bag. And what do you think about these bags for $13? Are they worth it? Are they not? Let's talk down below. So that is it. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me. Okay, to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all for real. Like, I appreciate y'all for real. That is it for this video. Let me go, okay? Let me go. I will see you beautiful people in my next video. I am ego tripping. And I'm out. Bye, y'all.